Hello, I'm Andrew from the Netherlands, and today is a special day. And that's why you see me on a video, because normally you never see me live. Or sometimes I have a good day and I will come on the video in live. But today I show my face because this video is a superb video. You will not find its equal on the internet. And that is because I mixed 9 amps in this video. 9 amps, 9 different amps. So I needed 9 tracks. And I had to put them just simultaneously below each other, because if you don't do that simultaneously, then you don't have the good effect. And well, these 9 amps, the most of them are between 80 and 100 watt. I also included a smaller amp, a Marantz 2238B, just to show you the difference between the 2238B and the 2265B. And that's because, well, most sound lovers only think about which one have the best sound. But I can imagine that there are some people out there who don't want a big amp, because big amps use a lot of power. And if you play your amp or your receiver the whole day, this will cost you a lot of extra money in the end of the year when your electricity bills fall in your house. So, and some guys of you, they make a mix. They take the amp what sounds good, but they also look at the at how amps is looking. So they don't like a good sounding ugly amp. They prefer a lesser amp but a better looking one. And this is not what the test is about. That are my reviews. Okay, so in my review I completely review a special amp or a receiver for its building quality. I tell you what is the power the thing uses, and you can see how the thing looks and how it sounds. This test is completely all about sound. I already know which amp is the best. So if you go to the end of my video, I will tell you which one is the number 3, 2 and the number 1, and also which one is ended as the last one. But for now, I will do the test with an 8-minute music mix from Kevin MacLeod. I mixed pop, jazz, reggae and synthetic rock all together in this 8-minute music piece, and in that piece you will hear the amps and receiver through each other, and so you can make your own decision which one sounded the best. I recorded all these amps and receivers on flat, so no loudness, bass in the middle, treble in the middle, no extra knobs, high filters, just plain simple. It is an honest test. I'm not here to sell amps or receivers. I just want you as my public to find out for yourself which is the best amp or receiver for me to buy, because there is no shop. In Holland there is no shop, maybe in America there is, but in Holland there is no shop where you can hear all these amps together at the same time. So that's why I made this video. The sound is coming through Magnat 05 speakers. These are very good speakers. There are better speakers. These are 4 ohm speakers. They are better speakers, but okay, this is what I have, and I think you have to decide for yourself which amp or receiver fits you the most. Okay, after the test I come back and I give you my opinion which one I think was the best. Okay, so let's start the test. Come on. So that was the test. I hope you like the test, and I hope you will comment below the video what do you think is number 1, number 2 and number 3. Okay, I will give you now my number 3, 2 and 1. Okay, number 3 was for me the Denon, a very nice amp with a remote control, and the only reason why it is not on number 1 is because of the highs. They are too loud, but that can be because of my speakers. I think it's because of my speakers, yes, but I'm not sure about that. But over my speakers I give them number 3. Okay, number 2 is a split one, because it was very hard to decide which one was the number 2. On number 2 ended the Marantz 2265B and the Kenwood KR-7050. They sound completely different, and it was for me hard to say, okay, this one is better than the other one. No, both have its charms. They sounded very good. And number 1, and that's very clear for me. So there was no doubt for me at all that this was number 1. The sound of this amp really is perfect. It has everything. And that was the Akai AM2850. Okay. And maybe you're surprised, and I want to know what you think, which one is the best. Because my ears are not like your ears. And this is not a match, this is just a test. And please comment, give your comment below the video, what do you think is the best sounding amp. And if you'd say to me what I thought was number last is number 1, I wouldn't be surprised, because your ears are different. Okay, I also know which one was number last, but I won't say that because I don't want to upset the owners who maybe have this amp. So for me, I only told you now which one of the 3, in this case 4 of them, because the number 2 was split, which 4 amps sounded the best for me. And well, thank you for watching. This was me for now, and please put those thumbs up if you like my video. Subscribe if you didn't subscribe yet, and for now I say bye bye.